Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can activate HSBC credit card online. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up any type of browser on your PC and search for HSBC Bank, or you can directly type the official website's link in the URL bar. Open up the first site that shows up and you can see that there are tons of options available on this page. At the top, there's a tab list where you can head over your mouse pointer to explore new features, and now head over your cursor on the banking tab in the middle of the list and then select activate credit card. A new page will load up on your screen for you to start activating your card online. Now just click on the red get started button at the center of the screen. A form-like table will now appear on the screen containing all of the necessary credentials of an account. Just simply type in the credentials accordingly and make sure all of the information is correct. And after filling in the credentials, just check mark the given CAPTCHA box and then click on the activate button at the end of the page and you're done. That's how you can activate HSBC credit card online. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.